For those who have had a terrible experience and are discouraged by their attempts to lose weight, Protetox is an all-natural weight reduction pill. Compared to competing products, it has more all-natural detoxifying components. Obese people find it difficult to lose weight. Even with a healthy diet, calorie restriction, and regular exercise, you won't see the results in weight loss that you want. Consider using supplements to help you lose weight if exercise and healthy eating aren't enough to help you slim down. Safe, natural ingredients that target different elements of weight loss can be found in effective weight loss pills. The ability of the pills to lessen cravings, boost thermogenesis, aid in weight reduction, and offer energy can all result in more rapid and effective weight loss. Prototalks is the brand name of these weight loss medications. It will provide potent antioxidants that will aid in weight loss. An all-natural weight reduction product called Prototalks was created for people who have had a poor experience and are fed up with attempting to lose weight. Compared to rival products, it has more organic detoxifying components. It helps people get rid of the toxins in their bodies without having to adhere to a regular cleansing schedule. You can lose weight using the pill in several different ways, creating a holistic weight loss strategy. How does Prototalks work and what is it? A dietary supplement called Protetox helps with weight loss by detoxifying the body. It is a powerful and natural antioxidant that is intended to remove impurities from the body and help with weight loss. The recipe for Protetox contains a variety of potent superfoods. Protetox contains substances that naturally increase your metabolism and hasten the conversion of energy into calories. Guggul is one illustration. It is a powerful substance that can increase your metabolism and the processes involved in burning fat. It lessens the desire to eat more food and the levels of cortisol brought on by stress. You get an energy boost from Proton Detox, which helps you stay focused on your weight loss goals and prevents daylong lethargy. Thermogenic fat burners and energy boosters in the supplement offer a comprehensive strategy to increase fat burning and help you experience results more quickly than with only diet and exercise. You may be sure that this supplement is safe and effective because it is made in a CGMP-accredited facility by its developers. On its website, Prototalks, the company cites a variety of clinical studies and other research projects that show the formulation's efficacy and dependability. You can use this research to better grasp the specific effects of the Prototalks pill in your weight loss efforts. Ingredients in Prototalks. A blend of detoxifying ingredients with a track record in clinical studies makes up Prototalks. It contains precise dosages of several ingredients that work together to accelerate weight loss. The recipe will help you cut back on your food consumption and stop binge eating. The following is a list of Prototalks' active components and the benefits of each. Vanadium. Black pepper, eggs, shellfish eggs, mushrooms, certain oils, and eggs all contain vanadyl sulfate. The body mostly requires vanadyl sulfate to maintain healthy teeth and bones. Additionally, there is evidence that it has a moderate insulin-like effect and lowers blood sugar levels. Biotin. For the body to convert food into energy, biotin is essential. Numerous foods, including superfoods, nuts, and legumes, contain the vitamin B complex. People who have insulin resistance, high triglyceride levels, or elevated blood glucose levels may benefit from taking significant doses of biotin. Bitter melon. Along with other Asian nations, India is home to bitter melon. Diabetes has typically been treated using it. An ingredient found in bitter melon lowers blood sugar levels by functioning as insulin. Studies show that bitter melon increases the body's ability to burn fat, which may aid in weight loss. Guggul. For many years, Guggul has been used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine in India to treat a variety of health problems. Guggul has a beneficial impact on the production of thyroid hormone, according to a study conducted in India. This hormone is in charge of the breakdown of proteins, carbs, and lipids inside cells. White mulberry. Since ancient times, people have used the mulberry leaf as a natural means of controlling blood sugar levels after meals. The advantages of weight reduction from the white mulberry leaf can be put into a capsule that serves as an inhibitor of sugar using modern technologies for supplementation. Yarrow. In a model of obesity brought on by a high-fat diet, the yarrow extract lowers stress in the metabolic system. The meadow with the blossoming plant is bright and well-drained. Its capacity for wound healing is due to the alkaloid achillin, which promotes blood clotting and hastens wound closure. The Consumer's Guide. Prototalks is intended for daily usage. To receive the best benefits, take 2 pills with your preferred beverage about an hour before meals each day. Prototalks can be used without a doctor's prescription. Protetox doesn't have any known side effects, unlike stimulants and steroids. It is possible to get stomach problems if you eat multiple items at once, although these mild problems typically go away on their own. This vitamin can help people lose weight and are available to everyone over the age of 18. However, it is not advised for young people or expectant women. Before introducing Prototalks into your wellness routine or diet, the firm that makes the supplement advises speaking with a doctor. Where to buy Prototalks? The only place to get Prototalks is on the business website. To ensure that you get a better price when using Prototalks for a long time, the Prototalks manufacturers offer a discount if you buy numerous Prototalks bottles at once. You can find a selection of budget-friendly deals on the main website. Prototalks bottles cost $59 each. 3 Prototalks bottles, the cost per bottle is $49. 6 Prototalks bottles, a bottle costs $39 each. Contact information. The 180-day money-back guarantee that Prototalks supplements offer allows you to test the product at your own risk. This warranty indicates the company's commitment to giving customers a high-quality, trustworthy product. If you decide that Prototalks is not the appropriate product for you, you have 180 days to return any unopened containers and get a complete refund. Call customer service at the following number to ask for a refund. Conclusion. Prototalks is a wonderful weight reduction pill to use if you want to lose weight swiftly and safely. The Prototalks pill may be the best option for you if you've had trouble in the past shedding pounds, burning fat, and building muscle. Prototalks has several powerful substances that can assist both men and women in overcoming weight loss challenges. Your stomach absorbs the potent combination of nutrients in Prototalks fast, leaving you feeling satiated and full. The product's makers assert that it can boost your body's metabolism and supply of energy. For example, bitter melon aids in preserving a healthy blood sugar level and appropriate fat metabolism. Additionally, it contains a very little amount of naturally occurring caffeine to help you stay awake and aware without feeling jittery. Prototalks and other diet pills are not miracle cures that can make you lose weight quickly. In actuality, results take time to manifest. The full effects of your weight reduction pill may start to become apparent after 2 years of consistent use. To get the best results with Prototalks, it's important to maintain regular, healthy eating routines and exercise routines.